Menta, I want you to explain to us what you were doing with that girl.
Minta, I have taken pains to explain to you the conditions between the two families. Why do you still want to flirt with them?
Menta, ada unim kasa. Mede mi chopuma manesri mitintin. What were you doing with that girl?
Papa, I don't want to be part of this litigation. Please don't drag me into it.
Don't say that, Minta. You are Kofi Buta's wife. You now belong to this family. Our enemies are your enemies. And our loved ones are automatically your loved ones.
Mommy, please, I have no intention to be part of this feud with Efo and his family. Please spare me.
Nonsense. Nonsense. Leave my house immediately.
Kokuma, don't worry. I have already decided to leave your house. Your son here is as useless as you are. Like father, like son. I can't marry him again anyway. Leave my house, leave my house. Is this a house? Nonsense house.
Hey, leave my house. I said leave my house. Hey, go. Hey,
Don't leave my house.
Go. Jimmy.
Coming home. Come on, sit down. For now, nam wang say wang abwa. A chinabim. Much months watch. This is your food. Eat. Aren't you eating? Who near the other? I mean, I would dear the show.
Look at my officer.
Please.
I
beg you. It was not intentional.
I beg you. Yeah, if you are going to Jerona,
I beg you.
Look at your intentional. What will you are Jerona? Well, no more. Me, what you are Boronam. I beg you. I beg you. Yeah, if you are Jerona.
Your brother, Lucky.
We be la fia ko foot on yara.
Hey, young man. Powerful, is that you?
No. Please beg him for me. Please.
With the cuckoo now, say. Swanya Bano Vienye. With the cuckoo now. Swanya Ba brother.
Beg you, please.
With the cuckoo now. No Vienye. I made the cuckoo quick coming, say.
Bavionia.
And the cuckoo, but to mania.
You may go.
Thank you.
Dark when I will mount.
Me dark when I say.
Thank you very much. Also, I'm sorry I couldn't assist you when you called on me. I was blinded by tribal sentiment.
Anyway, maybe if you had not treated us that way, we wouldn't have worked very hard to merit what we have now.
Please, forgive me and accept my sincere apology.
You trust that sign a lebene who you stars and all lebene.
Papa, what is the matter?
Where is your wife?
I don't know where she has gone to. Why? Do you need her to do something for you?
Buta. Nyawoyere kasatre papa. Nyan kasatre pa.
What has she done wrong?
Go and see her with that AGYA girl conversing. What did I tell you to tell her? Huh?
Papa, that girl has grown horns. I can no longer control her.
Sure. When me kokuma eh? When me papa. So when me wa omusa base be free. Sure. Afe no di akuma ekwanyina. Na sa afe no di akuma ekwanyina dia. Won kan hu se. Sekantie we no eje ne hu e wa pofransem. So what? Mentor, I want you to explain to us what you were doing with that girl.
Minta, I have taken pains to explain to you the conditions between the two families. Why do you still want to flirt with them?
Mentor, ade unim kasa. What were you doing with that girl?
Papa, I don't want to be part of this litigation. Please don't drag me into it.
Don't say that, Minta. You are Kofi Buta's wife. You now belong to this family. Our enemies are your enemies. And our loved ones are automatically your loved ones.
Mommy, please, I have no intention to be part of this feud with Efo and his family. Please spare me.
Nonsense. Nonsense. Leave my house immediately.
Kokuma, don't worry. I have already decided to leave your house. Your son here is as useless as you are. Eh? Like father, like son. I can't marry him again anyway. Leave my house, leave my house. Is this a house? Nonsense house.
Hey, leave my house. I said leave my house. Hey, hey, go. Hey, hey, hey.
Not leave my house.
Hey, hey, go. Hey, go. Come on, move on now. I never move on now. Jimmy, so, huh? Wait, Jimmy. Wait, Jimmy. What up, my man? I saw them say, so, wait, Jimmy.
Ah, Bobo.
Oh, Manu! What are you doing? You deal with my enemy. You deviate Uganda killing her. Oh, Uganda killing her. Leave my house! Amanu, what are you get one here? Hey, do you know that I brought you to this village? You know that? Now what are you doing? Amanu, maybe I kill man.
How long shall we carry on the fighting? How long shall we endure?
Rabani,
Papa.
I want Amanu to explain what she has done to us now.
Manufoga, huh? Won't you talk? Look, if you know you can't talk or you don't want to talk, Evo, it is better we send them back to where it came from.
Takwema, you're all right. You, I am taking you back tomorrow morning. I said, we can no more accommodate you here.
Efo, I think you don't need to waste your money on transport. I have decided to live on my own.
And if you leave this village or this house, where do you think you're going?
Oh! Don't I have the right to live at wherever I want?
They're not in this village.
Definitely.
No.
True. Mr. Africa. Not in this village. No, not in this village. No, you can't stay in this village.
Definitely.
No, ma. I'm matured enough to make my own decision. No one can decide for me. I'm staying right here in this village. I'm not moving an inch. Why do you want to drag everybody into your litigation with Kokume's family? Not me, Manyo. Majo.
That's it now. So, nonsense. Don't go here. What the song over the so close. Papa.
All this is your fault.
Papa Kimo. Papa Kimo.
You are not showing her body. You train you. You are not showing her that you see my wife here. You see my wife here. When I talk, she keep quiet because she know what I can do. You are disgraced me. You are not a man. You see my wife here?
Jana Mato, Winnie, Campo. You've fallen perfectly into the trap. Bra. Winnie, bra, 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 bra,
Amateur, agosmo girl. Butter. 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 If I open my sack, let me get up. This is your blue. Let me get up. Oh, lie down.
Jeno, me too, sir. Me too.
Mama, Nyalila. Butter. If I get you, You'll be miserable. Lie down, wait for my coming. I'm just tired. But I'm all disciplined over there. You just wait for me, let me get up.
God has been good to us.
Oh yeah? Anytime I try to recount how far we've come, I begin to appreciate God the more and more.
We've been successful now. We didn't know what we were coming to do in the city. But look at us now. Look. Look.
Hey, Owusu. So, you have deliberately refused to see me?
No. You always come here just to attack me. Why?
Oh.
You, let me give you something. Make yourself comfortable here.
Thank you. So, how are you, Enyo?
I am fine, by the grace of God. What about you?
I'm fine. You people have survived all the pressure. In fact, you have really proven to me what love can do. Love transcends tribal sentiments. Asante.
Yeah, we have to prove people wrong. Especially those who toe strong tribal lines.
I wish you every success that you may need.
Thank you.
Some.
So how is work?
Everything is moving smoothly.
That is my word. And yo, in fact, you surprised me. That is good.
That's really what life is all about. Yes.
And
Yes, my dear.
We have been in the city for over 10 years now. And I think it's about time we visit our parents in the village. I hope by now all pains might have been forgotten.
Do you think these hardened litigants will soften their stance and accept us? No, I don't think so.
I strongly believe so, Enyo. We will go to Mr. Boahen's house this evening and ask him and his wife to accompany us to the village. What do you think about that?
Well, that won't be a bad idea.
Daddy,
Sifa,
when are you taking me to my grandparents?
Sifa, I'll take you there.
I want to see them.
I will take you there.
I want to see them.
Jifa, Daddy said he's going to take us to the village. Don't worry, eat your food.
Come on, finish up.
Eat your food, we'll go to the village.